welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we talked about what JavaScript is, why JavaScript is important, and where it is used. In this video, we are going to get practical. We are going to see how we can actually run JavaScript code. In this video, we are going to discuss about two environments where JavaScript can run. First is a browser and second is Node.js. Let's start running JavaScript in the browser first. The easiest way to do this is by using an online JavaScript compiler. So open your browser and search for JavaScript compiler in the search bar. You will find several online compilers that allow you to write and run JavaScript directly in your browser without installing anything. You might see a console log line already in the editor. Console log is a built-in JavaScript command used to print or display messages, data, or the results of code directly in the developer console. It helps us test code and see what values their variables hold while building an application. So the syntax is like this. You need to write console.log, then open parenthesis, and in this you can write anything in double quotes or single quotes, and as soon as you press run button, the this JavaScript code will run and show the output in this console. That's it, we have just run our first JavaScript code directly in the browser. The second environment is Node.js. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript outside the browser. This is important because JavaScript isn't limited to making websites interactive. For this video, where we will see how to set up Node.js and run JavaScript directly from our computer. Now let's set up Node.js on our computer. First we need to install Node.js. Go to the official Node.js website. Click on download and in most cases you can simply keep the default options and continue with the download. You need to click this button to download the package as per your operating system. I have already downloaded the Node.js. So once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the installation steps. So I have already downloaded, so I will double click and open the installer and click continue. Once the Node.js is installed, you need to verify that everything is working correctly. So open your terminal. On Windows you can use command prompt PowerShell. On Mac OS or Linux you can use the terminal application. So here you can type node space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. You should see the Node.js version you just installed. The exact version you see may be the different from mine, and that's completely fine. The important thing is that you see a version number. That means Node.js has been successfully installed in your computer. We can also check the npm version by running npm space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, again you should get a version number. For now you don't need to worry about npm. We will talk about npm and their packages later in this course. Now that node.js is installed, let's run some javascript. That is, this is where things get interesting. So you need to type node and press enter. This is a node.js REPL or REPL. REPL stands for read, evaluate, print loop. In simple terms, it allows us to type JavaScript code and immediately see the results. Let's try the console log line we just tried in browser. So console.log open parenthesis, and in double quotes or single quotes you can write anything, and as soon as you press enter, this JavaScript code will run and print a hello world text. So now we are running JavaScript directly on our computer using Node.js. You can exit from Node.js by pressing Ctrl C for Windows and Command C twice for Mac. So I am pressing Command C twice. So in this video we saw one of the easiest ways to run JavaScript directly in the browser using an online JavaScript compiler, and second is using a Node.js outside the browser. In the next video we will create our first JavaScript file and run a complete JavaScript program locally. So see you in the next video.